or welcome back to my channel. My name is Revati Bawa, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, then please go and hit that subscribe button already, and you're not going to regret it. So please go subscribe to my channel and help me grow it. And since day after tomorrow, on the 10th of May, it's Mother's Day, so I just wanted to make a video, giving you guys ideas what you could do on Mother's Day to make your mother happy, and what you could do to make her feel special. So you know what this video is about. So without any further ado, let's just get right away into the video. So since the quarantine is going on, obviously we cannot go outside and shop in the malls or buy anything materialistic for our mothers on Mother's Day, for Mother's Day. So instead we could do little things that could make her happy. So my gift ideas are actually about those little things only that you could do to make your mother happy. So coming to the first gift idea, like something that you could do to make her happy is cook something that she likes, like her favorite dish. Cook one of her favorite dish, or instead just a whole meal that she would like, everything of her like. So my mother loves pancakes, so I'm gonna be making pancakes for her. And my mother is she is someone who loves pancakes and Maggie and all of these things because I made her like it. मेरे साथ रह रहे कि मेरी मॉम को हर वो चीज़ पसंद आने लग गई है मोस्टली जो मुझे पसंद है. Still she doesn't like cheese, which I love cheese. She doesn't like pizza, which I love pizza, but she likes fries. She likes Maggie. So yeah, we are reaching there, with my mom, that she and I, like, at least in between, we like many of the things, we share our likes regarding food. So she likes pancakes, so I'm gonna make pancakes for her. So you could make something that your mother likes, a whole meal or even a single dish, and she's gonna be happy. I'm sure, 101%. She's not happy, then just let me know. And since it's Mother's Day, you should pamper your mother, like basically you should pamper her throughout the year, not just the single day, because she's our whole entire world, right? She does so much for us. So one day cannot do justice. We should pamper her throughout the year. But yeah, coming back to the topic, so you could pamper her. Second gift idea is that you could oil her hair, which I did, and I'm gonna do it again on Mother's Day. I oiled my mother's hair, and I haven't done it in years. Like, I haven't oiled her hair in years. I don't even remember the last time I did oil her hair. And yeah, she did love me oiling her hair, and obviously she loves the pamper. Who won't love it? Like, even if my mother oils my hair, I love it. Like, it's such a soothing feeling. So yeah, so on Mother's Day you could oil your mother's hair and give her a nice massage, a nice jumpy, and let her relax, because she deserves it. She totally deserves it. So continuing with the pampering part, the third gift idea is that you could apply a face pack on a face mask or face sheet. If you have it at home, well and good, you can just apply it, and that effort itself is gonna make your mom happy that you care about her skin. So doing that on Mother's Day is gonna obviously make her happy, and you should do it often. I do it with my mother often. Like, I just did it a couple of days back, and I'm gonna do it today, and again I'll do it more couple of days back, like later. So and if you don't have a face mask or a face sheet or anything at home, then you can search on YouTube, and then you can make, like, with the help of the present ingredients that you have at home, you can make a face mask. And all this effort that you're gonna take for your mom, she's definitely gonna get happy. Who will not get happy after you taking so many efforts? So obviously do pamper her by definitely pamper her by taking care of her skin, applying a nice face mask. She'll be relaxed, her skin will feel good, and all in all, it's a win-win. So yeah, so now continuing to the pampering part, fourth is you could do is paint her nails. I do it often. Many times I do it. I paint my mother's nails. I paint my nanny's nails. So you could paint your mom's nails, and she's gonna be so happy when you do all this girly stuff. Women like anything and everything. Women are cute. I'm a feminist, so yeah, okay, like, not that it has any importance in this context, but yeah, we women like anything. You could just do a little thing and women are gonna get happy. That's all for now. So paint your mother's nails, her toenails, and she's gonna be happy. Do that and let me know. Since it's quarantine, and I'm sure already most of you people might be helping your mom with the house chores. Even if you aren't, then it's Mother's Day. I'm sure one day you could let her be free and rest and not do anything, and you could do the house chores. Like even girls and guys, you both could let her relax and just chill that whole day. And you could do the house chores like the house like sweeping and sopping and washing utensils, washing clothes and all of that, and that could help her, and also she's gonna feel happy with that effort. And also, since it's quarantine, I request for you guys and girls both to help her throughout the period by working. Just help her like just by doing your own stuff every day. Wash your own clothes, wash the utensils, the food, like wash the utensils that you ate food in, and these little things will help her, even if you don't want to do the whole house's work. So yeah, so do help her in the household chores on Mother's Day, and should help her always. But if you're not helping her, then at least do it on Mother's Day. That's what I'm trying to say. Also, the sixth gift could be that you tell your mother how you actually feel about her. Mostly we people, we usually don't, we take the relations that we have that are never going to leave us for granted. So, Mother's Day, you have plenty of time on your hands. You could just sit your mother down, tell her your feelings, and be true to your mother. Also explain her how much you love her. She knows that you love her, but I guess telling someone that you love will make the other person more happy, even if the other person knows that you love them. But still, if you tell them, they're gonna feel more happy. So tell your mother how much you love her, and that could be the biggest gift for your mother, to hear those magical words from you, and how much you care for her. She'll realize it even more. So on Mother's Day, tell your mother how much you love her. That's definitely something you should do. Yep. Moving on to the seventh gift. The seventh gift is watch a movie with her. Quality time. Basically, in quarantine, we have so much of time on our hand. We could do it every single day, not just on Mother's Day, what I'm trying to say. So since the past couple of days, I've been on and off watching my mother's favorite movies. I even watched 50 Shades of Freed with my mother. Can you believe it? I wasn't really watching the movie. I was just sitting beside her and checking my phone and using my phone, and with Hindi, I put on Hindi 50 Shades of Freed and on Netflix, and she was watching that. So yeah, you could do something like that, don't watch 50 Shades of Freed with your mom, but yeah, watch a movie of her with her, and just enjoy that quality time. And I'm sure your mom is gonna like it, because my mom likes it. Whenever she's been telling me to put on some love stories since a long time, and I have been last time we watched 50 Shades of Freed, then we watched Thakre, and after that I haven't watched any movie with her. So she keeps on telling to she wants to watch a movie with me. So definitely that's something you could do with your mother, watch a movie of her choice, and yeah, she's gonna be happy. So I hope you guys loved the video, and happy Mother's Day from me and my mom to all the mothers out there in the world. And my mother has something to say to you guys.
स्वामी तिन्ही जगाचा आई विना भिकारी. आईसारखे महान दैवत या जगात शोधून सापडणार नाही. जगात सर्व काही मिळतं, पण आई मात्र एकदा गेली ती पुन्हा मिळत नाही. म्हणून आईचं महत्त्व ओळखा, आईची कदर करा, आईचा रिस्पेक्ट करा, तिचा सन्मान करा, तिला प्रेम द्या. मातृदिनाच्या माझ्याकडून सर्व मातांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा.
So you know the drill. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on Friday. Until then, bye.